Let's go.
Same, you had luck. Next time check search before you get... Oh, look at me. My tank is faster. Nice. Nice.
We didn't penetrate their armor. One of our tracks is damaged.
Shit.
We didn't even scratch them.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at them, mamu im jebem. Where the hell are you? Okay, okay, okay.
Penetration.
Penetration.
Ricochet.
Shit, 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 shit. Oh my god, okay, I'm slow as hell. Okay, gotovo. Gotovo. Who's shooting at me, bitch? Matter.
We fixed the track. Get going.
Get going, get away. Yeah, okay, look at me, man. Look how much energy I have. I was hit twice, man. How come? I didn't lose so much. How much, man? How the hell is this even possible? I was hit twice and I lost like no energy, man. Okay, okay, okay. For update. You say update. MF power update. Okay, fuck you, man. I'm gonna get that guy. Look at me. My energy is big. We're gonna surprise him for a back. Where the hell is he? No, no! Oh, mamu vam je. Ode u pičku mater. Gode. Got him. Got him. Oh no! Oh!
They're knocked out. Penetration. Enemy armor is
Shit! Where is he, man? Oh, he's dead? No.
penetration.
Shit! 1%! Shit, I got him too.
We didn't penetrate their armor.
God damn it. Get away!
Penetration.
I'm gonna...
Lost the track.
Pičku matru, I lost the track!
Penetration. Enemy is hit. Let's go. Penetration.
One more! Yes! Ajde, ajde. Put that track on, mamu vam jebem. Yeah. Mamu vam jebem.
We didn't even scratch them. We didn't penetrate their armor. We didn't even...
Fuck, man, I can't even shoot that guy. He's too goddamn strong. He's shooting at me, man. Damage blocked. See, I can, man. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go from that side behind.
Penetration. Enemy is hit.
2%, guys. We're gonna go from behind. Yup! That guy's down. There's only one guy. There's only one guy. Oh my god, my heart was. Okay, now we have to find the last one. Okay, that guy came to. What the fuck happened to you? What? I finished him, man. I'm just waiting here if that guy's gonna. See? He's shooting at him. Ah, here we go. One more. Yeah, we want to get that. Was one of the best games. Woo! Yes! Oh my fucking god, look at this shit. Look at those medals, god damn it. Look, oh my fucking god, 848 stars. Woo! My tactics, guys. My tactic just paid off, man. I was like, I'm gonna wait there if that guy's gonna shoot that and I'm gonna finish him off. Yes! Woo!